Umaatake si Cariaso. Hipochero! Pero mo foul!
Cariaso for the lead. Yeah!
Cariaso drives hard. Yes!
Jeffrey Cariaso with a highlight play.
Gotta watch out here. It's already a 7-point lead. Look at the jet. Wow!
Running the floor that way. Ramos haven't even gotten down in defense.
By Rigo. Cariaso skying up there and one play.
And a 6-point lead for Buford's Jeffrey Cariaso. Magwakino at saka si Pagdavidas.
Here's Cariaso into
Nakataon na naman para sa mga Vets. Jeff Cariaso.
Defense ng Tagboy. Nagbuga. Oh, yes!
Here, Cariaso to tie. Yes, sir!
Going to Cariaso. 4 seconds and a shot clock. Forward to Cariaso. Cariaso far away. Cariaso. He has the hot hand. And he continues.
Cariaso. Lead in.
Salat. Tumatakbo ang Alaska. Cariaso.
Cariaso sneaks inside. Nahan ng PBA, no? They square it off.
Jumper by Cariaso is good.